Revving up with the increasing popularity of electric vehicles both home and abroad, I'm on my way to an EV player headquartered in Beijing. With Sunny Spotlight, today we will delve into how the burgeoning EV industry could unlock diverse opportunities. And here we are. We are the EV division of China's automotive giant, BAIC Group. Arcfox is a premium electric vehicle brand owned by BAIC Blue Park. In 2023, the BAIC Blue Park sold some 92,000 new energy vehicles, a robust year-on-year growth of 84%.
北汽蓝谷在科技创新和这种绿色环保方面呢，包括这个节能减排都是在行业内排得非常靠前的。海外的市场是很广阔的。去年呢是46个国家，大概130多个客户的洽谈。在24年呢，我们希望有建设服务网络和销售渠道的这种进一步扩大。
China is the world's largest NEV producer and market. According to the China Association of Automobile Manufacturers, exports of China's NEVs soared 77.6% to more than 1.2 million units in the past year. In 2023, sales of NEVs exceeded 9.49 million units, surging 37.9% year-on-year. The market share stood at 31.6%. The fast growth of NEV sales has been supported by the sound supply chains and industrial ecosystem.
做一款车，它是一个长的产业链条，而不是说就一个车，它是一个链条性的同步的整合的发力。我觉得新能源汽车在对产业链上的这种或者是汽车技术的一种提升，尤其是在电动化和智能化这两个点上的这种提升，我觉得是有革命性的，或者是有迭代性的这种作用的。中国的新能源汽车产品起步是比较早的，产品的成熟度也是非常之高的。
The global reach of China's electric vehicles extends beyond mere trade ties. With a strategic focus on cross-border collaboration, localization, tech innovation, and green transformation, it opens the door to endless possibilities.
2023年对于中国的电动车产业来说，我们认为是一个里程碑的一个年份。电动车它就是代表着一个绿色发展、可持续发展的一个方向。中国品牌的电动车得到了全球的认可，应该说都会带动本地的新能源汽车的发展，为他们整个社会的转型绿色发展会做出相应的贡献。同时呢，还会带来税收就业等等这样一些相应的贡献。中国电动车的出海，目前我们呢应该说具备一个非常好的信心我们相信未来会保持一个非常高速的发展。